too cold and miserable to get out and take the video, so we did it through the car window. Because we're soft and we're coughing.
Right.
And this is Kilmore Quay.
County Wexford.
Lovely place. Even in the rain. Might have to get out for a little walk, I think.
Bye. See ya. Go on, off with you.
I did brave it. I saw a seal, big fella. Didn't get terribly close to him, but I got out in it. I'm brave. It's him, the very fella. I believe it was a common or harbour seal that I saw. Average weight for a male, 90 kilos. He looked friendly enough. I thought he might come in and say hello to me. Hello. Can you tell me which way the wind blows around here? Do you know? Huh? Okay, I'll ask somebody else. Excuse me, sir. Do you know which way the wind blows around here? I think you can see that there's a definite shape to that tree there. And that means that the wind is blowing in that direction most of the time. It's coming from the sea, which is that way. So it's windy, very windy here, and always blowing in the same direction, more or less. And so, they stuck them there. More num-nums. We've arrived at the Honk bar in Shannon, County Clare. And my bedroom is up there somewhere for the next week. I've got this sneaking feeling I'm being followed. Hello. Hello. I miss you too. Bye bye.